Hi everyone, welcome to our Language Training Center video classroom, and today we will learn lesson 51, A Pleasant Climate. Sağdaşlar yaxshimizlar? Bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan darsimiz 51, A Pleasant Climate. Andaqda sağdaşlar mana savolga bir javob berib olinglar. So, how many seasons are there in a year? So, how many seasons? Okay. Andaq sizlardancha sağdaşlar mush bir yilda qancha fasl bor? Qaranglar, do'stga ekran qarasanglar, hamisha rasmdagi asosan bir deb beringlar. So, how many seasons are there in a year? Okay. Maybe, you know, these photos may help you, right? So, how many? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay. In Kashgar, you know, there are 4 seasons in a year. And the Kashgar qana desanglar, bir yilda qancha fasl bor desanglar, 4 fasl bor. Demak, you can say there are 4 seasons in a year. And the bir yilda qancha fasl? 4 fasl bor. So, which seasons are they? Anaqda deb beringlar, shu fasl qaysi fasllar? Qaysilari? Okay, look. And sen birinchi qarasanglar, buningda rasmda xatmi bor ekan. Which one? It's spring. Good. It is spring. Spring. Good. Spring deganimiz atyas. Bu nima? Sanlar shu bahor fasli, nima? Bahor faslini biz odatda nima deymiz? Spring. Okay, what about next one? Okay, next one is summer. Qarasanglar, dengiz bo'yi shunami? Daraxtlar issiq. Bu faslni nima deymiz? Summer. Ba'zida qanday desanglar, bu summerni o'zidan ism qo'yadi ko'pincha qizlar. Summer deganimiz masalan yoz. Yoz. Spring at yoz. And the next one is autumn. And autumn yoki autumn deb qo'ysa bo'lmaydi-ku. Keyindagi n qanday qilmaydi, talaffuz qilmaydi. Bu nima? Autumn. Autumn kuz fasli. Oltin kuz deb qo'yamiz-ku. Kuz fasli. Last one is winter. Okay. Ne hazır vaqt desanglar, qish fasli, shunami? Qishni biz nima deymiz? Winter. Demak, hamda bir yilda spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So, which months are there in each year? Albatta bu shu fasllarda qaysi oylar bor? Sanab boqamizlar. Uyg'urcha o'xshab qoladi, inglizchaninki. Balkim yanalda kitob bo'lsa, birlik sanab baqsaq, albatta spring. Okay, you know, spring, you know, it starts with March. Okay, Mart deymiz-ku. 8-Mart ayollar bayrami. Demak, hamda bu inglizcha nima? March. Ham oylarni yozganda diqqat qiladigan yana bir nuqta, bosh harfini qanaqa qilamiz desanglar, cho'ng yozamiz. March, April, Uyg'urcha deymiz, April deymiz-ku. Amliyat inglizcha o'lchamda tarafimiz April. Good. April and May. Okay. Demak, hamda springga tava bo'lgan oylardan months. And months then masalan March, April, and May. What about summer? Okay, summer starts with June, July, August. Yaxshi. June, July, and August. And that August, nima? And that. What about autumn? Autumn starts with September. Okay, September, October, and November. September, October, and November. And winter, January, February, and March. Okay. Actually, sometimes like it includes December, right? Onun istirgan qish faslidan nimani o'z ichiga oldirsan? December. Okay, December degan nechinchi oy? 12-chi oy. 12-chi oy. Demak, hamda bu oylarni boshdan bir sanab baqilgan bo'lsak, nima desanglar? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Naydı yaxşı. Demek hem şu 12 ay. Hoş andaqda. Şu 12 ay dedik şuna ama mesela aylar bilen kunlarni birlikte o'qigan vaqtda qanday o'qiymiz? Arada bu o'qishning qoidasi qanday bo'lar esanlar? Mesela chislani o'qiganda, chislar degan nima deymiz? Sanlar date deymiz, o date degan yo'qlik qilishlar emas. Chislar emas. What date is it? So what date is it? Hamda bu yerga date'da hamda o'qiganda qanday qilmaymiz desanlar? Avval aylarni deymiz, undan keyin endi chislarni deymiz. Endi bu chislarni deganda, bu chislarga nima desanlar? Ama o daraja sonli ketadi. Masalan, 1-chi, 2-chi, manchinchi oyning 1-chisi, 2-chi kuni, 3-chi kuni, 4-chi kuni degandek. Masalan, misol qilaylik. Amma 1-chisida 2016-yili 1-oyning 1-chi kuni, shunami? Endi 1-oyning 1-chi kuni degan nima deymiz desanlar? Avval oy deymiz, Oy nima desanlar 1-oy deganda January. Okay, January. Shunama, uningdan kun. Kun deganda masalan 1 deb qo'ysak bo'lmaydi. January 1 desak bo'lmaydi, buni. Buni nima deymiz desanlar? Demakchi yanvarningki 1-chisi yoki shu 1-chi kuni deganda bildirish kerak. Undaqda 1-chi deganda biz oldingi darslarimizda masalan sonlarni o'rgangandan keyin biz daraja sonlarni o'rgangan. Masalan 1-chi, 2-chi, 3-chi, 4-chi, 5-chi deb. Bularmi buning eng muhim narsa, mush 1-chisidan 3-chisiga asoslansa qog'oyaga nima desanlar? PH deganda qattiqdan qo'ysak qanday desanlar darajasini bildir. Alaylik. Masalan first, okay, ma first o'rganib bo'lgan nima? First degan 1-chi degan gap. 2-chi deganicha second. Second power, shu second bilan o'xshash, 2-chi degan nima deymiz? Second. 3-chi deganicha third. Okay, third. Demak, ma uchasi bir qadar qiyin nima? First, second, third. Endi xo'sh, endi 4-chi qalqa. 4-chi deganicha fourth. Nima? Oxirgi th ni mana tilimizning ishlaydigan tovush nima? Fourth, fifth, sixth, eighth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Endi diqqat qilamiz. Endi mana 21 deganda nima? 21st. Yaxshi. 21-chi shuna 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 28th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30. And 31-chi deganicha 31st. 31st. Demak, 1-chi first, 2-chi second, 3-chi third. Aytaqchi. Aniqda 1-oyning 1-chi nima? I and then that is it. January 1st. Aytaqchi. January 1st. Ana first ni yozganda qisqartib qana desanglar 1 degan raqamni yozib keyingi asti-ni qattiq. Shunami? Shu first ni keyingi asti shu. Andaqda. 2-chi oyning masalan 2-chi oyning 14. 2-chi oyning 14. What is that? It's a Valentine's Day. Shunami? Mushu mashq bayrami. Shunami? Valentine's Day. Okay, it's January 14th. Good. Sorry, not January. It's a February, right? It's February 14th. It is February 14th. So what about next? And the calendar qarab baqsak bu nechinchi oyning ekan? 3-chi oyning 12-si. 3-chi oyning 12-si degan nima is March 12th. March 12th. All right. Hamda ma 4-chi oy qarsak nima desanglar? 4-chi oyning 1. 4-chi oy degani April, 1 degani first, April 1st. Yani it's April Fool's Day. Hamda nima? Ahmaqlar bayrami, aldamchilar bayrami shunami? April Fool's Day. Good. You can say April Fool's Day. What about next one? Next one is May 1st. May 1st. A Workers' Day shunami? Emgakchilar bayrami. And June 1st. It's a children's day. Bu nima desang 6 ayning biri bolalarning bayrami. Tushunami? June 1st. And next one is July 4th. Okay, July 7 ay. 7 ayning 4 qanday desanglar Independence Day. Bu Amerikaniki mustaqillik kuni hisoblanadi. Shunga men iPhone'da ta'til qaraysim bo'lg'achqa, bu 7 ayning 4 desang deb chiqar ekan Independence Day. Ondan keyin ingliz tilini o'rganishning yana bir yaxshi usul nima desang, o'zingizlayotgan masalan, har xil elektr uskuna deymiz, asbob deymiz, telefon, kompyuter. Shularni ingliz tanishib qo'ysanglar, aman bilmaganda cho'qim lug'at aqtirsiz shunami? Bu men tayin yaxshi bo'lgan bir nima ingliz o'rganish usuli. Qarasanglar masalan, mana tegir calendar deb turdi. Bu calendarni kalendar degan gap shu. O'lchamli talaffuzini o'rgansanglar bo'ldi, nima? Calendar. Okay, demak kalendar degan gap shu. Mesela günlük durmuş, günlük görüp doğan diye gana, işte kastı kaldı. Okay, that one is July 4th, right? Okay, and the King's Show, 8. ayının biri. Nima? August 1st. August 1st. And what about next date? It was 5th, right? It's September 5th. Okay, September 5th.